Hello students, today's topic is dimensions of physical quantities। तो आज हम ये पढ़ेंगे कि फिजिकल क्वांटिटीज की डायमेंशंस हम कैसे कैलकुलेट करते हैं। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई टेल यू व्हाट इज द डायमेंशंस। डायमेंशंस होती क्या है? जब हम किसी फिजिकल क्वांटिटी को बेस क्वांटिटीज की फॉर्म में एक्सप्रेस करते हैं तो वहां पे हाउ मेनी नंबर ऑफ टाइम्स fundamental quantities is contained in the given physical quantity that is known as the dimensions। तो वहां कितनी पावर के साथ फिजिकल फंडामेंटल क्वांटिटीज आपकी उस फिजिकल क्वांटिटी में प्रेजेंट है वो उसकी डायमेंशंस कहलाती है। तो डायमेंशंस को अगर हम डिफाइन करना चाहेंगे तो इट इज द नंबर ऑफ टाइम्स ऑफ fundamental quantity is contained in the given derived physical quantity is known as dimensions। Dimension of that physical quantity in that base। या डायरेक्टली हम इसको लिख सकते हैं in that fundamental quantity। To make it more clear, let's have some example. Suppose we have velocity. Velocity is distance upon time। तो अब जो ये फॉर्मूला हमारे पास है, सबसे पहले हम इसको क्या करेंगे, फंडामेंटल क्वांटिटीज की टर्म्स में एक्सप्रेस करेंगे। लाइक डिस्टेंस is just like length and time, it is already a fundamental quantity। तो हम इसको लिख सकते हैं length multiplied by time raised to the power -1। So this is the dimensions of velocity। But we can say in the dimension of velocity, length is with power 1 and time is with power -1। So dimension of length in the velocity is 1 and dimension of time in the velocity is -1, and other fundamental quantities are missing, so their dimensions are 0। But every time it is very difficult to write whole the terms like length, time, mass and all, so we use some symbols like mass, it is represented by m, length by L, time it is by capital T, temperature by Kelvin K, electric current it's SI unit ampere। उसी के सिंबल को हम यूज करते हैं A, luminous intensity it is by CD, and quantity of matter that is mole। Whenever we write the dimensional formula for a physical quantity, so we used to express it in the three basic dimensions like mass, length and time। ये तीन हम इसके अंदर लेते हैं। If any one of the 3 is missing, then we used to give its power 0. Like in velocity we have seen. तो velocity की dimension अगर हम लिखें, we have only length and time, mass is not present in its formula. So we will write m naught, we used to read it naught, L t minus 1. And here one more thing, that the dimensional formula is always kept in square bracket. Because in dimensions, we just consider the fundamental quantities. They are contained with which power. We are not considering the magnitude of the physical quantity. That's why we used to keep it in bracket, which shows that we are just taking dimensions, not magnitude. And as it is independent of magnitude of the physical quantity, so we can say that velocity, average velocity, initial velocity, final velocity, all are same, as magnitude is not considered in dimensional formulas. This is very important thing. That's why if we are taking acceleration, it is equal to change in velocity divided by time. Here we have taken change in velocity. The change in velocity is also just like velocity here. That means we use the dimensions of velocity for change in velocity. So it will be m naught L t minus 1 over time. Then the final we will calculate. अब हमने इनको just powers को calculate करना है, simplify करना है, जैसे हम exponent के questions करते हैं maths में. तो it is m naught L t minus 2. इसको हम simply ऊपर लेके चले गए. ये वाला t आपका यहाँ गया और इसके साथ इसकी power negative हो गई and then powers are added. We can calculate the other dimensions also, like force. Force is mass into acceleration. Mass we have m and acceleration is, अभी हमने कैलकुलेट किया है m naught L t minus 2. तो हमने जब इनको सॉल्व करना है तो अब यहाँ पे m की पावर यहाँ 1 है, यहाँ 0 है, तो हम इन दोनों पावर्स को ऐड कर देते हैं, लाइक 1 plus 0. L यहाँ मिसिंग है, जो पावर है वही ले लेंगे और t की पावर भी हम एज इट इज ले लेंगे. तो दिस विल बी द डायमेंशन फॉर्मूला फॉर फोर्स एंड वी कैन सिंप्लीफाई इट. और सिंपल उसमें हम इसको लिख सकते हैं लाइक m 1 plus 0 इज m ओनली, पावर 1 है, L एज इट इज आ जाएगा और t रेज टू द पावर minus 2. We used to rate it ml t minus 2. In the same way, we can calculate the dimensions for other physical quantities like density. Density is mass over volume. Dimension of mass is m only, but volume is not a physical quantity, fundamental quantity. So हम इसको उस फॉर्म में लेंगे, लेंथ इंटू ब्रेड्थ इंटू हाइट, एंड ऑल आर equivalent to length. So we can write length into length into length. So dimension formula for volume, it will be L raised to the power 3. Now here it will be m L minus 3. ये पावर ऊपर चली जाएगी आपके यहाँ पे, and here t is missing, so we will write t naught. So this is m L minus 3 t naught. This is the dimensions of density. In the same way, we will calculate other, like some physical quantities are dimensionless, like angle. Angle is arc over radius. Arc is length, and radius is also length. So it is L, and this one is also L. So we can write L naught, and mass and time are missing, so these powers will also T naught. So this is the formula of angle, dimensional formula of angle, and it is dimensionless, as all the three physical quantities, we can say that they have zero dimensions, dimensionless. The next we can take some few important physical quantities I am taking now, like your gravitational constant. ये एग्जाम में ज़्यादा पूछी जाती है. Gravitational constant. The formula for gravitational constant is force into distance, force into distance square over mass square. Then force we have calculated, it is mn t minus 2. We will put its dimension. अब distance की dimensions हम यहाँ लिख देंगे. It is distance square means L into L. आपका दो बार आ गया ये L square. Mass square means m raised to the power 2. Now we will simplify it. उसको हम simplify करेंगे. तो powers combine करते हैं. Like power of m is here 1 in numerator, and in denominator it is 2. When it goes in numerator, then it becomes minus. In this way, L here power is 1, and here it is 2, and t raised to the power is minus 2. Only one t is there. Then now we can solve it. It is m raised to the power minus 1, L3, and t minus 2. ये हमारे पास आ जाएगा m minus 1 L3 t minus 2. This is the dimensional formula of gravitational constant. Same way, I'll tell you one more important formula, that is coefficient of viscosity. It is, the formula for this is force upon area and velocity upon distance. So we can write in this way, force into distance upon area into velocity. Now it is force, dimension of force we have done, ml t minus 2 into distance is L, area it is L square, length into breadth से हम calculate कर सकते हैं. Velocity already we have done. Velocity हमारे पास आया था m naught L t minus 1. Now we will simplify this expression. The total powers of m is 1 only. ये तो 0 power है. Now we will see L. L total power in numerator is 2 and in denominator is 3. So it is minus 3. Total power of time in the numerator is minus 2 and in denominator it is minus 1. ऊपर जाएगा तो ये आपकी plus 1 हो जाएगी. तो expression will be m L minus 1 t minus 1. This is the dimensional formula for coefficient of viscosity. One more is there, that is thermal conductivity. These are very important physical quantities जिनके आपको generally dimensional formulas पूछे जाते हैं. Expression for it, आपको किसी भी physical quantity की dimensions calculate करने के लिए सबसे पहले उसका formula याद होना ज़रूरी है या उसकी unit याद होनी ज़रूरी है. Then only you are able to calculate the dimensional formulas. So that's why I am writing formula for every physical quantities. So this is the formula for thermal conductivity. Heat, energy. एनर्जी के लिए जो फॉर्मूला होता है आपका, वो आप लोगों को मैं इसके साथ एक पीडीएफ लिंक करूंगी, एक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में आपको एक मिल जाएगा, वहां से डाउनलोड कीजिए और उसमें आप इन सारी फिजिकल क्वांटिटीज के लिए डायमेंशनल फॉर्मूलाज देख सकते हैं. इवन आई हैव टेकन those physical quantities together which have the same dimensions. इस तरह की हमारे पास होती है कि एक ही dimensions की कई सारी physical quantities होती हैं, तो मैंने उनको उसी तरह से अरेंज करके आपके लिए लिखा है. जो भी ग्रुप आपका एक जैसे फिजिकल क्वांटिटीज का है, उसमें से सबसे पहली कोई भी एक फिजिकल क्वांटिटी आई हैव सॉल्व्ड एंड अदर आई हैव रिटन एज इट इज विद देयर फॉर्मूला, सो दैट यू कैन प्रैक्टिस योरसेल्फ टू कैलकुलेट द डायमेंशंस ऑफ दैट फिजिकल क्वांटिटीज, by which this topic will be more clear to you. So here we will calculate. For energy we have dimension formula ml to t minus 2. Distance again it is L. Area it is L square. Temperature difference is just like temperature, so we will write it Kelvin, and then time is T. Now we will combine the powers. This is M. L in numerator it is 3 and the power of L in denominator is 2 only, so it will be minus 2. Time in numerator it is minus 2 and in denominator is 1, it will be minus 1 over here, and Kelvin is minus 1. Now we can simplify it. It will be M L T minus 3 K minus 1. ये आपके पास थर्मल कंडक्टिविटी के लिए डायमेंशंस आ जाएंगे. ठीक है, तो इस तरह से आप इसको कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं, किसी भी फिजिकल क्वांटिटी के लिए कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं और उसके लिए डायमेंशन फॉर्मूला निकाल सकते हैं. तो आप डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स से उस पीडीएफ को डाउनलोड कीजिए और वहां से बाकी की फिजिकल क्वांटिटीज की डायमेंशंस कैलकुलेट करो, so that this topic will be more clear to you. And I have told you that in that PDF I have given you the physical quantities which have the same dimensions. Go through it and make this topic more clear to you. We will meet again with the next video.